Interested in Islam. Can you raise it and speak to the mic, yes, so they can hear you?
It's what makes me feel, it feels right for me. I believe in the Prophet.
Okay. Do you feel peace in Islam?
Yes.
And what is your previous denomination or religion?
Christian.
Christian. Did you practice Christianity?
Yes.
What is the difference, if you can tell me, between Islam and Christianity?
There's a huge difference. Christian is more of something that I don't really.
More handsome, more beautiful, and
No, it's different. It's very different. There's a big difference.
you find peace in Islam?
Yes. It's peaceful.
And more spirituality in Islam?
Yes.
Very good. Now, Tara, the main difference between Islam and Christianity, as you probably know, is that we believe that Jesus is the messenger of God. He's not the Son of God, neither the God. God is above Jesus. God created Jesus. And Jesus is the servant and the slave of God. He works for God. And God is self-sufficient. He doesn't need to have a son or a daughter or a wife or a helper or an aide or an assistant. God is above all needs. God sends Jesus to enlighten the people, to guide them. And Jesus never said about himself, I am the Lord or the Son of the Lord. This came many years after him, unfortunately. Many years after him, people invented this, that Jesus never said, I am the Lord. He's the servant of the Lord. And he says in the Quran, in chapter 19, if you read the Quran, قَالَ إِنِّي عَبْدُ اللَّهِ. The first thing he said, immediately after his birth, he said, I am indeed the servant of God. إِنِّي عَبْدُ اللَّهِ. أَعْتَانِيَ الْكِتَابِ. He has given me the gospel. وَجَعَلَنِي نَبِيًّا. He ordained me a prophet. وَجَعَلَنِي مُبَارَكًا أَيْنَمَا كُنْتُ. And he made me a blessing for everyone. So, Tila, the first thing I want you to say now is to say that there is no God but Allah, and this is the way you say it in Arabic. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illa Allah. I testify that there is no God
that there is no God
but Allah.
but Allah.